Prostate massage is not just for gay men. In fact, a whole lot of good comes from a little bit of prostate pressure. Now, prostate massage might not be a common topic, but it could, in fact, be the key to improved stiffness, improved ED, and a symptom-free urinary tract when it comes to prostate enlargement. Now, I know it might seem uncomfortable at first when you think about it, but once you get past that assumption, you'll discover that a little bit of pressure and not pain down there can actually lead to some amazing results. So let's dive in and explore how a small amount of backdoor activity can potentially yield loads of fun in terms of sexual activity. All right, so welcome back. I'm Dr. Rachel Ross, board-certified family physician, clinical sexologist, and the founder of the Dr. Rachel Institute, the number one place for you to find trusted information about men's health. So subscribe to the channel and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on any of this stuff that could literally transform your life. Today, we're diving deep, no pun intended, to a training on prostate massage. And stick around because I have a gift for you that I think is really going to make a world of difference when it comes to your prostate. But I also have a tip on how you can do the prostate massage, no pain, right? So here's our disclaimer. Please, before you try prostate massage, it is important to make sure that you do not have prostate cancer. Since the massage helps drain lymphatics, it can actually potentially move around cells that don't need to be moved. So please consult with your physician before you get started. So James from Chicago wrote this to me, and I thought it made sense to read it to you. Dr. Rachel, I love listening to you. I'll be turning 74 on June 21st, and I have an active sex life. I would have intercourse daily if my wife would let me. I first learned about prostate massage from you. It helped me. I was on medication for BPH 3 times a day, but no more. At 73 years old, I'm meds free. Thank you for the insightful YouTubes. Thank you, James from Chicago. So the prostate is an essential gland in the male body, right? But modern medicine seems to kind of push it back on the back burner without acknowledging that it is what I compare to air traffic control at the airport, but it's for your erection. The prostate produces fluid that nourishes sperm cells and helps them travel. It's called PSA, or prostatic specific antigen. It actually protects the sperm. And the prostate also controls the traffic of urine through as it travels through the urethra and exits from the tip. Now, the prostate is a spongy gland, and hidden within the tissue of the prostate and traveling along the sides or lateral to are nerves and nerve bundles. The cavernous nerves, major erectile nerves that if damaged or even if they have too much pressure on them from the size of the prostate will actually lead to erectile dysfunction. Now, those delicate nerve fibers that pass through and around the prostate play a major role into whether or not you can get and or keep an erection. So toxin exposure, chemical disruptors, aging, and the natural decline in testosterone can over time lead to an enlarged prostate, which can be complicated by urinary problems and sexual problems like ED. But prostate massage can help ease some of these symptoms and help with lymphatic drainage, stimulation of the nerves and nerve function, and improving blood flow through the prostate, and actually clear up any jizz that may have clogged up the ducts as time went on. So let's learn how to keep your prostate happy through massage and other natural methods. Now, a healthy prostate is key for achieving and maintaining strong erections. I cannot say that enough. Proper prostate function means better blood flow, and the nerve signals to the erectile tissue fire better. So by adding prostatic massage to your routine, some men see huge improvements in erectile strength and quality. We're talking better blood flow, more oxygen delivery to those tissue, and decrease in urges to rush and urinate. And some studies actually indicate that men who do prostatic massage actually have better sexual performance, from harder erections to lasting longer and a stronger finish, right? We're talking about prostate massage, and it's somewhat taboo, but it is actually the only way to manually manipulate this really special organ that plays a major impact on your erectile health. And really stay tuned because I'm actually going to show you a really very quick and easy way to massage your prostate that does not require you to stick a finger or a massager into your anus, okay? Now, when your prostate is enlarged or inflamed, you may develop what's called polyuria, and this means running to the bathroom a lot, getting up in the middle of the night, nocturia, a weakened or dribbling stream, and kind of feeling like you can't fully empty your bladder. Also, weak projectile, right? And a prostate massage can help get the flow back on track. And while it doesn't replace medical treatment for severe cases, it can provide some level of symptom relief, which helps you control your bladder naturally. And of course, if you really want to dive deep into these healthy ways to harness prostate health, I really want you to read the book I wrote in honor of my dad. It's called The Prostate Revolution, The Underground Guide to Flow Strong, Curb the Urge to Go and Sleep Through the Night. And for a limited time, you can actually download the book for free by following the link I have pinned to the top of the comment section below. Bam! Now, the prostate is responsible for making a lot of the fluid and semen. But when your prostate isn't in great shape, it can lead to weaker, less impressive finishes or explosions. And I want you to think of the prostate like a rubber band. When it's healthy, it acts like a slingshot, propelling your great finish across the room or even up towards the car ceiling, if that's where you're located. And prostate massage can be a natural way to unleash your full ejaculatory potential. By clearing out the blockages and strengthening the gland and removing stagnant fluid, the prostate has ductwork, and the massage can help you have more powerful, high-volume ejaculatory finishes because it's clearing out that ductwork. Men actually report having stronger, more intense orgasms. So if you want to go from a squirt gun to a super soaker, consider adding prostate massage to your self-care routine. Now, the lymphatic system is your body's cleanup crew. It removes waste and toxins from the body. Giving your prostate a good massage can actually boost lymphatic drainage in the pelvic area by stimulating lymphatic flow. Prostate massage also reduces swelling and can help flush out buildup that may actually be affecting your prostate's performance, and improves blood flow like any other type of massage. This can lead to a healthier prostate overall. Now, think of it as a spa day for your male reproductive system, right? A little pampering goes a long way in keeping things running smoothly. Ladies do pampering, you should too. And when your prostate is feeling refreshed, you'll be surprised at how much better you feel overall. So don't neglect this important part of your health. Actually, what you'll notice too, if you respond to prostate massage, morning wood will start to come back. But you got to make sure that you don't have prostate cancer. See your doctor first. Since the massage does move lymph, it can potentially move around cancerous fluid as well if it's present. So please consult your physician before you get started. Now, if you're ready to let loose but only get a small trickle, the problem could actually be a buildup of fluids or even a stone in the prostate duct and the prostatic duct work, which blocks the flow of your great finish, kind of like a clogged pipe. So prostate massage can resemble what a plumber does for the pipes at home, but this is for your reproductive system. By stimulating the gland, you can break those blockages up and kind of get that fluid flowing freely again, strengthening your pelvic floor and giving you more impressive volume and speed when you climax, and it may even improve fertility and reproductive health. So, if you want to keep your swimmers in tip-top shape and your pipes clear, don't forget the power of a really good prostate massage. Now, before you dive in, let's talk safety and technique. Prostate massage can be great for your health and pleasure, but it's really important to approach it with know-how and care. First, hygiene is key. Make sure you're clean down there before starting, and don't forget the lube. Take a washcloth, get in there great. Being well lubricated is important for a successful experience, especially if you're doing an internal prostate massage. And when it comes to technique, start slow and gentle. And whether you're doing it solo or you're with a partner, take your time, try different pressures and motions, and listen to your body. And if something feels uncomfortable or painful, you ease off, you stop, you take deep breaths, and you try again. Now, I have links below for my preferred prostate massagers, and even a tennis ball can help make the difference. And remember, while prostate massage is generally safe when done right, it's always a good idea to talk to your doctor before trying anything new, especially if you have any health concerns. Now, with a little bit of preparation, communication, and patience, you'll be on your way to a happier, healthier prostate and some amazing orgasms too. Let's just be real. And as promised, I really want to show you a way to do a prostatic massage without penetrating. So this is an external massager. This is an internal massager. And I learned about this type of prostate massage from a good friend, Master Lauren Johnson. So take a tennis ball, sit down on a chair with a hard seat, and I want you to place this ball underneath your taint. Your taint is that area halfway in between your testicles and your anus. Set it there, and I want you to roll it back and forth. Roll it back and forth. Do it first day for about 30 seconds. Gradually increase more each day. And what you'll see is after 2 weeks of doing it, I want you to come back here and tell me how things have changed for you. Listen, whether you're doing it externally with this, whether you're using an external massager, or you're going internally, it's all about experimenting and figuring out what works for you, because what works for one guy may not work for you. Don't forget to download your free ebook. I have pinned the link below in the comments. Listen, remember, you're not alone. There's a whole community of men out here who are on this journey with you. So don't hesitate to reach out. Ask your questions below. Share your experiences. We're all in this together. So, what are you waiting for? Take charge of your prostate health today and unlock a whole new world of pleasure and well-being. Get your copy of The Prostate Revolution. Share it with your loved ones. Read it and go forth and massage.